Hey folks, real quick, it's late at night and I heard this alarm going off. And I came out to the garage and it's this thing right here. And it looks like there's some water in the bottom of this pan, which was causing this little giant water alarm to go off. And well, I suppose it's not a good thing to have water at the bottom of there. There's a massive storm tonight, but I don't see anything leaking. But at any rate, I took the thing out of there because it was just going crazy. But uh, let me know if you want me to turn off the gas or there or something, or not use that hot water heater for a bit, or if you need to send somebody out.